Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm continuing the same topic, that is how to add users in Unity. So today I'm gonna discuss about the third part, that is importing users via LDAP, right? So how we can import the users with LDAP? Let me just show it to you with the help of slides, and then I will show it to you practically. So what you need to do with the help of LDAP, so most of the time in your environment, you will be getting, like, you will be seeing already all the users are integrated with the LDAP, but at least you should know how it is getting integrated, right? What you need to do on the Unity side, that is you need to go to system settings, then you need to go to LDAP and LDAP setup. You need to check the box for enable synchronizing from LDAP server, right? And then the next setting would be, first setting would be LDAP setup, next setting would be LDAP directory configuration, right? Then you need to add the required details in the field. The main thing which you need to do is LDAP configuration name, that is this one. Here I'm using it. Then next would be LDAP manager distinguished name field, that is this one, where I just used it here as well in my lab. And then you need to, in the LDAP user search base field, you need to enter CN equals to user, DC ABC, DC equals to INC. That is like a domain. Here you can say this is a domain, abc.inc, right? CN equals to users. And in the LDAP server information, you need to enter the IP address as well, and then type directory.abc.inc. So whether you can add the IP address or you can add the host name. Here I'm using the host name of that particular server, that directory.abc.inc. So as of now, I don't have access to that particular servers. That's why I'm just using it, this particular host name, which is already there in Unity connection. So I will just show it to you on the Unity, where you can go and do the configuration as per your requirements. Like if in your company they said you need to do this configuration, at least you can do it, right? And then once you add all these details, you need to click on perform full sync now. It will just sync it and add all the users, right? Then you need to go to users, import user, and then you can find users in LDAP and import it. And then you can just verify it with the help of Unity, like by going to users. So now let me show it to you how you can, where you can do the configuration in Unity. Okay. So here in Unity, you will be able to see the, I believe LDAP option. Here you can see LDAP, and here you have two things, like first one would be LDAP setup, next one would be LDAP directory configuration, which you need to do. So let me click on the LDAP setup first, right? Here in the LDAP setup, you just need to enable this synchronizing from LDAP server. Mine is already earlier enabled, so I don't want to uncheck it, or like I don't want to lose the control from the LDAP server. That's why I'm not doing any changes here. So you just need to enable the synchronizing from LDAP server and then just click on save. After that, what you need to do, you need to go to the LDAP directory configuration. In LDAP directory configuration, I will show it to you what all are the things and where you need to add the things. Let me click on find. Here you can see my this UCM. This is already synced with this UCM LDAP. Let me show you to you how you can, or let me just click on add new first, so that you can see what all are the fields there where you need to add. Here you can see LDAP configuration name. You need to give it to this LDAP manager distinguished name, and here you need to provide the LDAP password, that is confirm password and LDAP password. In this LDAP user search base, you need to add this particular, which I told it to you, like I showed it to you in the PPT. CN equals to users, and then DC equals to ABC, like this thing, right? Let me just show it to you again what all are the things. So CN equals to users, DC equals to ABC, DC equals to INC. But these things you need to add it here. I'm not gonna save it as of now. I'm just showing it to you, right? Here you can do like perform sync just once, or perform a resync every 7 days, or like days, months, week. You can see it here. These all are the things already there. Now what you need to do, you need to add here a host name or IP address for the server, which I told you, like this one, directory.abc.inc. This is the host name. So I'm not gonna add it right now. Let me just show it to you, which which is already added earlier. Let me show it to you again. So this one would be the CUCM LDAP. Here you will be able to see it in a minute. This one, CUCM LDAP. Let me just open this one, CUCM LDAP. Here you can see CUCM LDAP is there. LDAP manager distinguished name, abc.inc. The password is there. The LDAP user search base, which I showed it to you earlier. CN equals to user, DC equals to ABC, DC equals to INC. That is the your domain. Here you can see abc.inc, right? Perform sync just once is checked here, and that's why these are grayed out. Now the next thing would be this host name or IP address for server, which is already there. Directory.abc.inc, this is already there, which I already added in my PowerPoint slide. And then once you add all these details, you just need to click on this perform full sync now, and then it will do a sync. After once the sync is already done, you need to go to this import users. And once you are at import users, you need to perform the same thing. If you saw my previous lecture, hey, where I used find end users in test AXL, but here what you need to do, you need to find users in LDAP directory and click on find. So you will be able to see all the end users which are like actively enabled with LDAP. That's like here you can see everyone is showing which is enabled with LDAP. And you just need to click on this one like anyone and then click on import selected, and this particular user will get added on your Unity. I'm not doing it right now because these are already added earlier. It will give you an error. Like let me just show it to you like whether it is giving an error or not. I just clicked on this one. Let me click on import selected. It is showing please select a template. So let's just select a template of voicemail users template, then click on import selected. Empty extension, please enter an integer extension, integers only. So I don't know what the extension for this particular end user is. Let me just add this one and add the import selected. Importing users completed, number of success 0, number of failures 1. Let me just download the error file and let's just check it out. What is the error? So it is saying error importing user with extension 6865. The alias has already been assigned to another object in this VMS location. That means this particular end user user 02 is already added. That's why it is not getting added here. And I can show it to you in the under the users. You will be able to see this user was already there. That's why I didn't get added here. Let's just go to the next page. Here you can see test user 2 was already there, or you sorry, this one user 002 was already there. That's why it was not getting imported because it's already there, right? So I hope you learned something in this particular lecture as well, how we can add the users with the help of LDAP tool. And in the next lecture, I will discuss about how we can add the users with the help of bulk administration tool, right? And if you want to schedule any session with me, you can go to the topmate.io/Rohan_Virmani. If you want to like take some training, if you have any doubts, if you want to like review your resume, if you want to give a mock interview, you can schedule a session by going to this link topmate.io/Rohan_Virmani. And there are few memberships as well if you want to take it on this particular YouTube channel as well. So I believe if you take it, it will be very helpful for you as well. Thank you. If you really like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notifications of all my upcoming videos. Thank you.